Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS outline property, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS outline style. The outline style property specifies the style of the outline and can have one of the following values: dotted value, dashed value, solid value, doubled value, grouped value, rich value, insert value, outsert value, none value, and hidden value. So this is how it's going to look in your document anytime you are going to specify it. So I'm going to copy this quickly and use it in our document so you guys can see how it works in our document. As you can see, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the box model, and right now we are going to be specifying this inside right here. So I'm going to do this nicely so we can be able to use it in a reasonable manner and create a new div inside our body element right here. When I create a new div inside our body element right here, I'm going to put all these style property. I'm going to put it inside dotted plus p dot dashed plus p dot solid plus p dot double plus p dot group plus p dot read plus p dot insert plus p dot outset plus, I think we still have more. Not only outset, we have none and hidden. So I'm going to specify a plus p dot none plus p dot hidden. So this is okay like this. I purposely do it in this manner so that we can automatically generate this, so you guys can see it. We don't want to stay too long on this. Let's reload this our document now. Can you see our document is like this? So I want to do something to this so it can look nice. So let me dr times 2. So I'm giving this first. As you can see, I break this. This is the one. This one at the top. So I'm going to give this another border so you can see how it looks. I'm going to do this div dot inside of the p, and I'm going to do this, give it border. I'm going to give it border of 23 pixel solid red. Firstly, I'm going to give it that one, reload. As you can see, this is the border, as you can see. And also I'm going to do something. No, let me do it like this. Div, yes, let me do it like this. I don't want to give this one, but yes, I'm giving this one that is having class of outline. So I'm going to give this one outline dot class outline. So save this your document. Now we are now able to see the one that is having outline, which is the one at the top. The one at the top is the one that is having outline. Let me change it to green so you can see. This is the one that is having the outline. Can you see? Is the one. So now let's rearrange it so you can be able to see how it works. Firstly, let's give it padding. When you give it padding, you can just give it 23 pixel padding, and also you can give it margin. Also margin, you can just give it 12 pixel margin, and also we can give it anything again. Just let us leave it in that manner first and see what we got. As you can see, here are the things, right? And again, want to specify another thing again. We want to make sure that all the p elements, now as you can see all our border, see everything the way it's looking. Can you see? If you notice very well, you'll be seeing the outline behind our border. As you can see, I told you guys earlier that anything outside the border is the one we are talking about. So this is the outline. So I'm going to specify another thing right here also. Outline Let me give it 24. Let me give it red, so you can be able to see it. No. Let me give it 24 pixel. No. I'm not giving. I'm good. I'm not going to use this right now. Uh, mm, let me decrease this one a bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This border and the outline, you are going to see. Yes, this is what I want to do. So as you can see right here, we are having our green border, then we are having the outline outside the green border. That's one of the things I want you guys to know. So I want you to be aware of all this in case you need this in your document quickly. That's why I quickly do it now, so you can be able to have something to work with. As you can see, this is how it works. As you can see, in our next tutorial, we are going to be exploring all this one by one in deep details. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time in our next tutorial. Peace and love. Thank you so much. Bye bye.